This is Night Night Storytime. Gentle stories for sweet sleep. Good evening, little helper. Welcome to the quiet meadow and the sleepy woods. It's time to help the animals get ready for bed. If something feels tricky, we can breathe, ask kindly, and try again. Would you like to help? Let's go softly, step by step. Hello, Rabbit. He's been hopping over soft grass all day, and now his feet are tired. He stumbled on a little root and felt upset for a moment. He took a slow breath and asked, "May I rest here, please?" Can you whisper, "Good night, Rabbit. Sweet dreams. Good night, Rabbit." Hello, Fox. She played tag with fireflies along the hedgerows, a line of bushes. She ran too fast and rushed past her friends. She said, "I'm sorry for zooming ahead. Thank you for waiting." Can you help her curl her tail and say, "Good night, Fox"? Good night, Fox. Hello, deer. He nibbled leaves in the shade and walked the forest path. The dark path felt a little scary. He breathed in, out, and asked, "May I walk beside you, please?" Can you tell him, "Rest well, dear. Good night"? Good night, dear. Hello, Hedgehog. She gathered tiny leaves and made a cozy little nest, a small, warm bed. Her leaf pile slipped and her nest fell down. She tried again, slowly, saying, "Please help." Then, "Thank you." Can you help her tuck in and say, "Good night, Hedgehog"? Good night, Hedgehog. Hello, Raccoon. He washed red berries with his busy little hands. Oops, some berries spilled. He said, "I'm sorry. I'll clean up." He shared the last berry and smiled. "Here you go." Can you say, "Good night, Raccoon. Sleep tight"? Good night, Raccoon. Hello, Squirrel. She climbed tall trees and carried shiny acorns to her home. A friend asked, "May I have one, please?" She shared kindly and said, "You're welcome." Can you wave softly and say, "Good night, Squirrel"? Good night, Squirrel. Hello, Bear. He watched the river and listened to the whispering pines, soft, windy trees. A sudden splash surprised him. He pressed a paw to his chest, breathed slowly, and felt calm again. Can you speak gently? Good night, Bear. Dream big. Good night, Bear. Hello, Tortoise. She walked slowly along the warm, dusty path. Others moved quickly, but she said, "Please be patient. I go slow." Her friends waited kindly and smiled. Take your time. Can you tell her, "Good night, Tortoise"? Rest your legs. Good night, Tortoise. Hello, Elephant. He walked with his family and flapped his big, kind ears. His voice was a bit loud. He tried an indoor voice and said, "Excuse me." He added, "Thank you for listening. Can you say good night, Elephant?" Sleep well. Good night, Elephant. Hello, Giraffe. She stretched her long neck to taste the highest leaves. She could not reach one leaf, So she asked, "May I have a little help, please?" Together, they nudged the branch. "Thank you," she whispered. "Can you whisper, 'Good night, Giraffe'? Sweet dreams. Good night, Giraffe." All the land animals are tucked in now. The meadow is quiet. The woods are calm. The stars are gentle. When small problems come, we can name our feelings, breathe, ask kindly, say sorry, share, and try again. Peace grows where kind words live. Now it's your turn to rest your eyes and slow your breathing. Think about soft grass, warm paws, and friendly hearts. Good night, little one.